Oh, hi. Taylor Macking here, pro inventor. And look what I made in my parents' basement. Oh, get back in there! As I was saying, in here we have the dance robot. And it has one hand. Here we go.
Are you eco-friendly? Well, our robot can pick up trash and just as easily throw it away. Would you look at that? Watch as our robot skillfully opens this door. Now watch as he uses his precision, his accuracy, just to open this door. It's amazing. Using only one hand, he's able to grasp it so firmly and just pull back. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Watch as our robot skillfully fixes this truck. Watch as our movements. Using only one hand, he can fix this truck. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Help me!
And watch as our robot, well, dances.
Hey! Do you know how long that I've been in here? I've been in here for 30 minutes. And this guy came out of nowhere.
How did I even get in?
Unlock the door!